Now, something that you can do with global DIC, which is generally a shortcut for mesh-based DIC, is that you can really follow the curvature of an object really well. Just going to show that real quick for this series of images. Now, I believe that it's the same for every DIC package that you have, basically, which you're going to be asked to select the region of interest. And then within this region of interest, the software is going to draw some kind of grid of subsets, which is, the subset, they're regular, so it means that they will have to be selected depending on where they are. You're going to have to say, okay, the software is going to select the ones that are sufficiently within the image in order for you to have a measurement within the sample. And sometimes it's going to lose a little bit of the information on the side, which is damageable, because that is sometimes where interesting things happen, I would say. So here in this package, we have FE-based DIC, which means that we can just draw a mesh all around. That is, we are going to generate that mesh. And we're here, for instance, let's say, yes, 30 pixels is fine. And we're going to have a mesh that nicely follows the edges of the sample, which means that when you're going to the displacement tab, you're going to have information really following the edges of the sample, and you're going to have the strain at these locations too. Let me just set this up real quick. Let's say 50, and then here we go. Okay, so the measurement is being done right now, and what you see is for every element of the object, for every node of this mesh, you have a value, a displacement value, and you have the same for strain, right? You have strains for every element on the side, and if you draw it on the mesh, you can also draw principal strains, for instance, okay, at the nodes by default, and you're going to see everything that happens on every one of these nodes, which is, I guess, a nice feature of global DIC or FE-based DIC.